So how do you maximize the role that has been newly given you in a way that you learned, you unlearned, and then you relearn?
The student will only remember a story. And if you can encapsulate that message within that story, then the student will remember that.
Now, the Agus Polari Rehabilitation, by kasama ka dito lang kaya. Kung pinipigay lang po ng ERC, lahat ng pinipetisyon ng National Power Corporation, hindi po tayo nag-iisa.
So remember, when your donkey is not moving, don't kick it.
As the only government-owned and controlled corporation operating in a Mingrin, Minjin lang.
Baka it's time for us to, come up with a more comprehensive plan kung saan pwede natin ipa-CSP na yung mga power supply ng mga island grids.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang Arvin Finance Group. Salamat po sa standing ovation.
But we are not helpless in this storm. Kung bagyo man to, hindi naman po talaga tayo helpless. No? There are levers that we can pull right now to change our course.
The only sustainable innovation is the one that comes bottom up. It has to be contributed by each and every one of you.
So, yun ang wish list ko na sana bago ako mag-retire ay magkaroon ng legitimate at tunay na RE team.
I was able to learn na yung importance ng transition quotient na which is for me bago lang din.
Please be reminded to register your attendance and complete the evaluation form. Training certificates will only be issued to those who comply with both requirements.
Ghairil Maghdubi Alayhim Waladdallin. O Allah, bless our organization, bless NPC.
May these programs strengthen our leadership and uplift the people and communities we serve through the National Power Corporation.
civil service.
Christopher C. Bernito.
May buntag ka natong tanan. Just like I'm sure in solving NAPOCOR problems, you also have knee-jerk reaction, which you would do. But it incorporates 21st century skills, critical thinking, problem solving, collaboration, communication, because the hallmark of CVIDLP is independent learning.
Dr. Maria Andrea Santiago Rojas.
Di ko alam kung ano yung nervous ako eh.
May mga love life na daw sa AI. Our population in this room is still alive.
We imagine that later on, lahat ng bahay, pag nag-earthquake, lumilipad.
So unless that community is thriving, they will not come in. So we will help make that community thrive.
Wala namang economy kung hindi nakasalalay doon sa kinukuhanan ng economy. There's intent in nature that we have to discover. Pwede bang social ecology ang maging basis ng Pinoy worldview? Baka, kasi ang dami natin. Tapos, pag natanggal natin yung otherness, maybe we can act as a community to see nature. No?
So mga katambay, please all welcome our first speaker for today, Belinda M. Garrido.
The legal instruments should be in place, just as I showed you, and there has to be a strong support system, multi-stakeholders, and process documentation, and monitoring and feedbacking, and then continuous capacity building, and innovations relevant to the changing times, as discussed in speaker natin kanina, and environment protection and biodiversity conservation.
So ladies and gentlemen, let us listen to the story of Norma Akisan Makina.
We sent our resolution or request to NPCA, and I would like to follow up this request. Bobok is also a watershed supporting Ambuklaw Dam and Binga Dam.
Hindi dapat malaki, kahit maliit lang, provided marami ang itinulong niya sa community, di ba? For our project to be sustainable, we need to build partnership and collaborate with different sector in the society.
Gaano ka-importante ang social media sa inyong initiatives?
Una, mahal ang advertisement, right? Yung social media, libre.
Paano po namin sila ma-engage na ma-experience din namin yung level of cooperation, collaboration, para naman po maging sustainable ang aming pagsisilbi sa mga malalayong lugar po na yun.
Ang tingin ng tao sa'yo, kapag galing ka sa gobyerno, buhaya ka. Bago tayo makapasok doon sa community, ma-earn natin ang kanilang trust.
Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin. Let us welcome the dreamer, the planner, the builder, Attorney Arnel Masiano Casanova.
One line that's important is, if you have a dream, you may be the only person who would believe in your dream. If you want to create an impact on millions of lives of people, if that is your mission, then government is where you should be.
Sabi ho ng great philosopher na si Arpiti, it's like this, and so on, and so forth. Di ba ganun sa Atty. Teves? And so on, and so forth. But if you look at the trend, lahat po tayo paangat, lahat po tayo paparami ng paparami. Can we afford the new table of organization? Sabi ni Bibi Lari. Sabi niya, so yung mga kumpleron, ibigay nyo lang kung ano yung para sa empleyado. Huwag nyo lang kalimutan ang budget. Bibi Lari, huwag nyo kalimutan ang budget kasi nasa operations kami. How do we sell the workforce level to the decision makers?
No wonder, nire-resist nila yung mga gusto natin gawin. And that's what I meant by, it's not the strategy, it's the culture that they're objecting to.
We were actually asked to prepare a summary list of the major issues that were raised on day one. And we hope to jumpstart the Q&A for this.
Hindi ba dapat meron na tayo necessary other studies, for example, other technical studies, tsaka financial considerations?
Paano natin maparating sa top management up to the President of the Republic of the Philippines na dapat nandito pa ng PC. Dapat yan ang mindset natin.
But I agree that it will take a lot of serious discussions to come up with a proper solution for this.
We are talking of the organization. And in fact, the problem that we are facing now is very enormous, and that is money. But we learned yesterday on how to tackle a problem without, we have to innovate.
Trend daw ng organization is hindi EI kundi UI, yung unconsciously incompetent man.
Makakaroon tayo sa magawa na we can call it a recovery plan or a being robust again plan na lahat tayo naisip na papunta ng lahat.
Umiyak si Mayor. Sabi niya, since na naging municipality yung island na to, 40 years walang ilaw. Ganun sana kung madramatize natin, represent natin sa stakeholders natin, ang laking impact nun. Diba? Kaya lang walang gumagawa eh.
We should stop thinking the way we do. We can redefine what we need.
In fact, sabi ng SVP, may homework tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang NPC at mabuhay ang lahat.
Yung NPC kasi, hindi NPC ng nasa taas. Yung NPC ay NPC ng mga nasa bawah.
Sa department pa lang namin, naisip na talaga natin sa watershed specifically, paano natin ma-maintain yung relevant aming grupo pagdating sa aspeto na iaambag sa korporasyon.